today's video, I continue putting together Christmas gifts. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Project. Today, I'm going to go ahead and put together another Christmas gift. This one is for my youngest daughter. This is a little Tikes, what is it? Totsports Easy Score basketball set. So, doesn't look too hard, but we'll see. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Got a basketball. Right there. Hoop. Got a backboard. Got a base. Base with a net. Pretty nice. And the stand. Or the pole, I guess it would be. Alright, let's get this. Well, we got something loose in there. Let's see what that is. Now this one, you can either fill with sand or water. I will be filling it with water. It's just easier. There we go. I will leave this out because I will fill it up. Put that here. Let's. Alright. As you can see, you have one side here on the pole that has so you can do that. It's for adjustment of it to make it taller and shorter. And this one goes right into the base. Oh, that didn't help any. There, see, you got all different. I'm gonna leave it down here. Next thing is the backboard. No. There we go. Open up the net. Alright, you bring it up to the bottom, then you loop it around right here. Loop it around the edge here, and there it is. That one, then you go all the way around. Alright, got that. Just simply just we go. Well, there we go. Alright. Hardest part of this was the net. I'm not gonna lie. I took a little bit there. Alright, this has adjustments on it. So as they get better, they can do it. They can do a lot better. Let's see. So it's about 5 foot. So it's about 5 foot tall there. You know, and then they can go, then after, once she gets good with this, she can go to a bigger one, to the next size that my son has. But like I said, the hardest part of this whole thing was the net. And you get the ball with it. It's a soft ball, not too bad. Alright, what I didn't show you is I filled up the bottom with water just like I did the tether ball. That's how the base is filled up instead of doing it with sand. And in this video I didn't show you my kids playing with it because I'm pretty sure they're gonna enjoy it. It's for my 3-year-old daughter Lily, and her both aunties Karen and Patty got it for her. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a great gift for them. So with that being said, check out a new video every week. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, check out these 2 videos right here. Also, once you hit that like button, and also hit the subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.